Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be changing the coil pack on a M6 BMW M6. This M6 is a 2006 M6, but this should be the same process for all S85 engines, which is the V10 engine that came on the M5 of the same generation and M6. The tools needed are pretty simple. You just need an 8mm socket, 10mm socket, OEM coil pack, which we're using a Bremy in this case. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna start by taking out the two 8mm nuts over here for the intake and disconnecting the vent hose. You just push on it and you push it back. I already loosened up those two nuts, and there's the MAF sensor here. You push on it and pull out, and there's the two clips on the bottom of it. Put it aside. All right, next step would be to take out the 10mm bolt over here to remove this cover. All right, the next step would be to remove this plastic cover that covers all the coil packs over here. This one is a bit tricky and it's like a tight fit, so just take your time and try not to damage any lines. All right, so now you can see all the coil packs on the passenger side. The numbering are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right hand side 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cylinders, so 10 coils. The misfire is happening on cylinder number 5 in this car, so it will be the one all the way inside. All right, so you're gonna start by opening the tab over here. It's usually a little bit hard to remove, but once you open it, the connector will slide out, so just move it out of the way. And then use something like a screwdriver, put it in that tab, and try to push up on it. All right, so the old coil is out. We're gonna put the new one on. I'm gonna put some dielectric grease on the bottom, just a little bit, just a dab, so it doesn't seize, and put it in. Okay, the new coil is in now. Let's put the connection wire back in and close the tab. And then start putting everything back the way it was taken off. All right, so that was a quick video on how to change the coil pack on the M6. Thank you for watching and see you next time.